How would you like to earn $4.45 over and over again by doing micro tasks under micro time? Today, we're going to be showing you a method that's very simple and that's available worldwide. Plus, it's going to be absolutely free to do. You won't need to make any investments or cash advancements or pay anything to join. It's free for all, so no excuses. Just simply do it to find out that you can actually earn some pretty good money even through our method for today. It's available to everyone around the whole world, so even if you're from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, Serbia, US, Canada, no matter where you are, you can participate and earn more money today. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. To start the process, for today, we want you to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in hivemicro.com and hit enter on that. And then that should take you to this website right here. As you can see, simple tasks, real money. Make extra money through small jobs you can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device. You can even do this method on your phone, and it can be downloaded on any iOS or Android device, which makes it everything so much better because you can take your work with you anywhere. If you're going out for lunch or if you want to travel, you can still keep on earning, which is beyond great. All it takes is 4 easy steps. Number 1, sign up, register directly or with your Facebook profile. Number 2, apply for jobs. Jobs are diverse and readily available. Number 3, complete tasks. Work on tasks in the jobs that you've unlocked. And number 4, get paid. Weekly payment via PayPal or Bitcoin. Now, those are the 4 easy steps to how this website works. It's literally not complicated in any way, shape, or form, so you have no reason not to try out today's method. Some sample tasks would be to draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, or even track the same object across frames in a video. That's literally how simple the tasks would be. Who gives the tasks? A variety of teams from small startups, universities, and larger companies come to us to solve big problems like banning hate speech, making videos searchable, or building autonomous vehicles. There are also many types of jobs on this site, like categorizations, organize your media with discrete categories, bounding boxes, identify items of interest with one or many bounding boxes, audio transcription, listen to an audio snippet and write down what is said, and even semantic segmentation. Classify each pixel of an image. There are over 1.5 million users already, over 200 countries, and over $2 million earned. If you scroll down, you'll see testimonials from people from all over the world, which reassures you that this app is as true as they say they are, and people are really earning from here, and you can too. If you scroll lower, you will find some facts. So if you have any questions like, will you get paid, or how will you get paid, or if you're qualified, all of those questions are answered at the bottom part of this website. You just need to visit Hive Micro and read them for yourself. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have a pleasant surprise over there that you don't want to miss, so make sure you check that out. Also, I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use. Are you an Android user or an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. So to sign up, just click on this button below and then it'll redirect you to this page right here, wherein you're going to provide your full name, email address, password twice, country, and as you can see, we're pretty sure that this website caters to countries from A to Z. So don't even worry about that. Then language, and you can choose a lot. And if they ask how you find us or how you found us, you can just choose YouTube or other, whatever you want. Then you must agree to the terms and conditions, and you must be over 18. So if you are, then check the box too. Then confirm you aren't a robot, and once it's all completed correctly, then you can hit submit. Once you submit, there are a few things you must comply with, like your signature, demographic info, and more. Then you're going to have to verify your email address, and that email should look just like this. And just click verify email, and that will lead you straight into your account, and this is what your dashboard would look like. If you're appreciating today's video and really taking it all in, make sure that you like and subscribe before going any further into the video. We would appreciate it a lot. You can also show your love by hitting the notification bell so you'll always be updated when it comes to our YouTube channel, and you won't regret it, and that we can promise you. And keep watching because we're almost done. As you can see, there are beginner jobs, feature jobs, new jobs, and a whole lot more. And what's great about this is that there's a ton every single day. The way this works is that you take a qualification test before any task, and if you qualify, then you can take the task and earn how much the task is equivalent to. So, as an example, how about let's try this one that pays out $40 to transcribe. And if you click on it, this should pop up, and then click on start test, and then you are to take the qualifier test, and then once you pass that, boom, that's $40 in less than an hour, which is absolutely insane. You can do this more than once. You can do this 20 times a day if you have that much time and if you want to go that crazy. But if you only have a little time, then there's also tasks for that, which is just absolutely mind-blowing. So make sure that you try this method out. Go to hivemicro.com, sign up for an account, start working, and that is basically it. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.